name is John Lertuwanret. I'm one of the partners and general manager here at DeltaBev. We're here in Canoga Park, California. I've been in the beverage industry for almost 2 decades now.
My name is Brandon Yee. I'm the Director of Operations for DeltaBev.
I'm Anthony, Head of Maintenance. So I'm new to the team, but I've been in the beverage industry for almost a decade.
DeltaBev is pretty much a sub-company of Blaze Life Holdings here. DeltaBev really kind of came on as a brand in itself here at the beginning of 2024.
Future goals for DeltaBev is really to partner with some of the great operators that we recognize through brands, ones that are also provide the synergy to want to disrupt the industry.
And we put the idea on paper for what a cannabis beverage production facility would be. We learned the ins and outs of the beverage category that's specific to cannabis, and we sought out solutions to address those issues. And here we are.
Providing transparency and supply chain service solutions to our clients is really a lot of what we're focused on in helping them provide solves for their issues.
Work in Fortune 100 companies all the way to craft breweries where we had to use our skills in the beverage side.
By managing total package oxygen, we reduce the degradation of THC, which is one of the biggest problems that we've seen in the cannabis beverage market. The choice of going with KHS, not only is it a world-renowned brand, we looked at it for capacity, quality, and not only just getting that machine in the door, but also the service and maintenance aspect of it. It's been a great relationship working with KHS, with the understanding that when your filler's down, you're not making money.
KHS has been amazing in my experience, whether it be a phone call or they have a regional tech come out and help you work through any issues that you're having. Yeah, I have nothing but great things to say about KHS.
When it comes down to quality, reliability, quality product, serviceability here, KHS checked all those marks for us.